Hi guys, so in today's video I'll be showing you how I use just one ingredient to regrow that my bald spot you saw before. I regrow it back in space of 2 weeks. So if this what sounds interesting to you, kindly subscribe, like, share and comment. So fam, grab a seat and let's get started. Hi guys, welcome. So today's video I'll be using this DIY ingredient for my hair growth. Okay, I'll be doing this challenge for 2 weeks and I'm using lavender. This is a lavender bud. So lavender improves your hair texture, it helps to condition your hair follicles, it reduces frizz, it makes your hair longer, it controls fallout. Okay, I'm going to be using 1 tablespoon, like 1 to 2 tablespoons. If you have more, you can use 3 tablespoons. So lavender helps to control dandruff, it helps to regrow your bald spot. You know, it has a lot of amazing benefits for hair growth. Okay guys, so after this I'll be adding our hot water and I'll allow this to infuse for 24 hours. After 24 hours your lavender water is ready for your hair growth. So please keep on watching. So fam, this is after 24 hours. This is what the lavender water looks like. I'm going to be straining this into my spray bottle and we'll proceed to the next step, which is spraying this all over my hair. So as I saw from the beginning of the video, I braided my hair. I did a cornrow and the braid really chopped the back of my hair. Like, I was so pissed off, I was so angry, I was crying when I was losing that hair, because it's not easy when you are growing your hair and you go to the salon to make your hair and the person or whosoever that plaited your hair end up cutting your hair. Like, it's so annoying, it's so like frustrating, like it's like a step back towards your hair growth. So I'm just pouring this in my spray bottle and this is what it looks like. I'll be spraying this on my hair for 2 weeks guys. I used this for 2 weeks and bam guys, you saw the beginning of the video. Now you saw that this thing actually works. So this is day 1. I'm just going to spray this all over my hair. Same routine we do. You spray, you you put your leave-in condition, you add your oils and you add your butter as your sealing. So that's what I'll be doing throughout in this video. So please keep on watching. Please watch to the end of this vlog video so that you can see my results fam. Please watch to the end of this video. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed. Turn up the notification bell so that you notify whenever I upload a new video, and also like and comment and share. So fam, please keep on watching. So fam, this is the last week of this challenge. Okay, I'm just going to be doing same thing I did in week 1. I'm just going to be doing it same routine. Yeah, spraying this all over my hair, and we'll also be doing a length check. Please keep on watching so that you see the length check. Here, when I braided my hair up back like this, my hair was not too long, but I'll show you guys what I'm trying to explain. So far, as you can see from day 1, my hair is not up to my neck, like my chin, but if you see from day 14, my hair is already reaching my chin. So at least we saw some growth. So I'm really excited. So keep on watching, guys. Then the back of my hair, you can see the back of my hair. Before there was like some opening space and all that, but now look at it, it has grew back. So this is a +1. So yeah, lavender really helps to promote hair growth. This is how my hair looks like. My hair is very dirty and all. So I'm just going to wash it, then we'll come for our length check, like for the front of my hair, to see the length check if my hair actually grew or not. So please keep on watching. So guys, as you can see from the day 1 and day 14, my hair has really changed. Like the day 1, my hair was on the lower part of my lips, but the upper part, like if you can see it. Then in day 14, my hair really covered my lips. So if you're watching this extent, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.